in the class with my twin. We be vibing. Y'all, I'm in Miss Shepherd's new classroom. It's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, guys. We told you that even though we're going to be at 2 different schools, we still going to be making content. And we keep our promises.
Exhibit A.
So here we go. First word of the day.
Okay.
Somebody's name. Heather.
Ada.
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 Ada. Yeah.
Y'all don't say TH?
Oh, heck no.
Ada.
Not,
But without
not,
the H.
Not Ada, but Ada.
So, birds have lots of...
Feda.
Fedas.
What's the weather? It's the same thing.
Leda.
El Ido.
Leda?
Leda.
That's the alphabet. There's 26 letters. Letters.
Yeah, what letter?
Leda.
Letter. My job for the letter.
Mine drop a body letter.
Ever shake your head with it?
Mine drop a body letter. Hedgehog.
Ajag.
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 Ajag. I'm going for Ajag. Ajag. All right. Hedgehog. Say hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Not like that. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Not hedgehog.
Hedgehog.